The used car market is full of hype, but some of the best vehicles get completely overlooked. These are the cars people scroll past, yet smart buyers quietly hunt down. Right now, these are some of the most underrated vehicles on the used market. Comfortable, reliable, and often far better than their price suggests. If you want value without overpaying, this list is for you. Let's get into it. The 2008 Mazda CX-9 is one of the most underrated SUVs on the used market right now, especially if you need space but don't want to pay inflated prices. A lot of people overlook it because of the age, but in reality, this generation offers strong value if you find a well-maintained example. What makes the CX-9 stand out is how well it balances size and driving comfort. You get three-row seating, a roomy interior, and a ride that feels more car-like than truck-like. It's easy to live with day to day, and for families on a budget, it delivers space without feeling clumsy or outdated. In 2025, the 2008 CX-9 is underrated because it gives you real practicality and comfort for very little money, something many newer SUVs struggle to do at the same price point. The 2008 Mazda CX-9 is one of the most underrated SUVs on the used market right now, especially if you need space but don't want to pay inflated prices. A lot of people overlook it because of the age, but in reality, this generation offers strong value if you find a well-maintained example. What makes the CX-9 stand out is how well it balances size and driving comfort. You get three-row seating, a roomy interior, and a ride that feels more car-like than truck-like. It's easy to live with day to day, and for families on a budget, it delivers space without feeling clumsy or outdated. In 2025, the 2008 CX-9 is underrated because it gives you real practicality and comfort for very little money, something many newer SUVs struggle to do at the same price point. The 2015 Lexus GS 350 is one of the most underrated luxury sedans on the used market right now. It often gets ignored because people rush toward the ES or the IS, but the GS sits perfectly in between, offering a more premium feel without the high-risk ownership of many European rivals. What makes the GS 350 special is how solid and balanced it feels. The 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 delivers smooth, confident power without turbo complexity, and the car feels planted and stable on the road, especially at highway speeds. Inside, the cabin is quiet, comfortable, and built with materials that age well, even as the miles add up. In 2025, the GS 350 is underrated because it gives you real luxury, strong performance, and long-term reliability at a price most people overlook. The 2015 Acura TLX is one of the most underrated sports sedans on the used market, mainly because it gets overshadowed by bigger luxury names. But for drivers who want a comfortable daily car with a bit of personality, the TLX is a smart and often overlooked choice. What makes the TLX stand out is its balance. It feels light and easy to drive, the steering is responsive, and the ride stays comfortable even on rough roads. Inside, the cabin is practical and well put together, giving you a premium feel without overcomplicating things. It's the kind of car that works just as well for commuting as it does for longer highway drives. In 2025, the 2015 Acura TLX is underrated because it delivers sporty driving, solid reliability, and everyday comfort, all at a used price that's still very reasonable. The 2014 Toyota Avalon is one of the most underrated full-size sedans you can buy on the used market today. A lot of people skip over it because it wears a Toyota badge instead of a luxury logo, but that's exactly why it's such a smart value. What makes the Avalon special is how comfortable and relaxed it feels. The ride is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and there's tons of space for both front and rear passengers. It's powered by a proven V6 that delivers effortless highway cruising without feeling strained, and the interior quality is good enough that it still feels upscale years later. In 2025, the Avalon is underrated because it gives you near-luxury comfort, strong reliability, and low ownership stress, all for a price that most buyers overlook. The 2017 Buick Regal is a true sleeper on the used market. One of those cars people rarely talk about, but owners often appreciate. It doesn't carry a flashy reputation, which keeps prices low, but it delivers a surprisingly refined driving experience. What makes the Regal underrated is its smooth ride and quiet cabin. It feels solid at highway speeds, absorbs bumps well, and offers a comfortable interior that works perfectly for daily driving. The design is clean and understated, and when well maintained, it holds up better than many expect. In 2025, the Regal is underrated because it gives you comfort, stability, and a premium feel without premium pricing. The 2015 Lexus RX 350 is one of the most overlooked luxury SUVs on the used market, mainly because it's so common that people forget how good it actually is. But that popularity exists for a reason. It delivers comfort, reliability, and stress-free ownership better than almost anything else in its class. What makes the RX 350 stand out is how smooth and refined it feels in everyday driving. The V6 engine is proven and effortless. The ride is soft without feeling floaty, and the cabin stays quiet even at highway speeds. Inside, everything feels solid and well assembled, which is why so many RX models age gracefully. In 2025, the RX 350 is underrated because it offers true luxury SUV comfort with minimal maintenance drama, making it one of the safest used buys out there. The 2018 Toyota Avalon XLE is one of the most underrated full-size sedans on the used market right now. It's often skipped by buyers chasing flashy luxury brands, but in reality, the Avalon XLE delivers a near-luxury experience at a fraction of the price. What makes the Avalon XLE stand out is how smooth and comfortable it feels on the road. The V6 engine is effortless, the cabin is quiet and spacious, and the seats are soft yet supportive for long drives. The interior materials and build quality still feel upscale in 2025, proving Toyota's attention to detail pays off over time. In daily use, the Avalon is reliable, easy to maintain, and practical. It doesn't draw unnecessary attention, but it quietly does everything a luxury sedan should: comfortable commuting, stress-free highway cruising, and low maintenance costs. In 2026, the 2018 Toyota Avalon XLE is underrated because it combines reliability, comfort, and long-term value, making it one of the smartest used sedan buys on the market today. The 2016 Toyota Highlander is one of the most underrated mid-size SUVs on the used market. People often focus on luxury badges, but the Highlander quietly delivers many of the same benefits: reliability, comfort, and practical space, without the high repair bills. What makes the Highlander stand out is its balanced driving experience. The V6 engine is smooth and dependable, the transmission shifts effortlessly, and the ride quality is comfortable for daily commuting or long family trips. The cabin is roomy, seats are supportive, and the third row makes it easy to carry more passengers without feeling cramped. On the road, it handles predictably, feels stable at highway speeds, and comes with Toyota's proven long-term durability. Maintenance is straightforward, parts are widely available, and mechanics generally love these for their low-drama ownership. In 2025, the 2016 Toyota Highlander is underrated because it offers space, comfort, and reliability that most buyers overlook, making it a smart used SUV pick that truly lasts.